Good day everyone. I am Mr. Roniel Duarte, and today we will tackle about the Australia's central bank. So let's start. The history of the Australian Central Bank is known as the Reserve Bank of Australia. The origins of the Reserve Bank of Australia, or the nation's central bank, can be traced back to the creation of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia in 1911. The Commonwealth Bank was established as a government-owned savings and trading bank. Over subsequent decades it progressively acquired more of the responsibilities of a central bank, and these central banking powers were formalized in legislation at the end of the Second World War. Over time, the Commonwealth Bank would be renamed the Reserve Bank of Australia and would act as the nation's central bank. The Reserve Bank of Australia commences operations as Australia's independent central bank on January 14, 1960. The Reserve Bank Board, chaired by the Governor of the Reserve Bank, has responsibility for conducting monetary and banking policy so as to best contribute to stability of the currency, maintenance of full employment, and the economic prosperity and welfare of the people of Australia. In 1998 the Payment System Board is created with the Governor of the Reserve Bank as chair. Its responsibility is to determine the Reserve Bank's payment system policy. It exercises this responsibility in a way that will best contribute to controlling risk in the financial system, promoting the efficiency of the payment system, and promoting competition in the market for payment services, consistent with the overall stability of the financial system.
The monetary policy. The Reserve Bank is responsible for Australia's monetary policy. Monetary policy involves setting the interest rate on overnight loans in the money market, the cash rate. Since 2020, the Reserve Bank has put in place a comprehensive set of monetary policy measures to lower funding costs and support the supply of credit to the economy. These measures affect the behavior of borrowers and lenders, economic activity, and ultimately the rate of inflation. In determining monetary policy, the bank has a duty to contribute to the stability of the currency, full employment, and the economic prosperity and welfare of the Australian people. To achieve these statutory objectives, the bank has an inflation target and seeks to keep consumer price inflation in the economy to 2 to 3% on average over the medium term. Controlling inflation preserves the value of money and encourages strong and sustainable growth in the economy over the longer term.
In summarization for the role and functions of the Reserve Bank of Australia. The stability of the currency of Australia. The maintenance of full employment in Australia, and the economic prosperity and welfare of the people of Australia. Controlling risk in the financial system. Promoting the efficiency of the payment system, and promoting competition in the market for payment services, consistent with the overall stability of the financial system. And that would be all. Thank you.